Hello teachers, today we are going to teach you how to assign the homework. On completion of lesson plan, teacher have to assign the homework. So here we have mentioned the process how to assign the homework. Also, we will teach you about if there is no assessment, what teacher have to do in this case. So we have mentioned the process here. Now we will teach you these things in detail on Swiftland admin panel. For assigning the homework, teacher have to log in on the Swiftland admin panel from their register contact number as a username and the password. Once you will log in, this page will be open. Now here, teacher have to drag the mouse in left hand side. This page will be open. Now from here, drag this bar and teacher have to click on the class option. Once you will click on the class option, teacher have to click here on the future class. Once you will click on the future class, this page will be open. Now teacher have to select the date range. Here teacher have to click a single time and this page will be open. Now this calendar will be open. So here teacher have to select today's date only. Why? Because we are creating the class only for the same day. So while selecting any single date, teacher have to click two times. Why? One is for date range start, one is for date range end. Once you will click two times on the single date, teacher will cross check here that they have clicked two times. Now click on the OK and apply. So once you will click on the apply, teacher will find the classes here in the dashboard. Now suppose this is your class for today's class which you have to assign the homework. So here teacher have to scroll the dashboard from left side to right side. So in the end of the dashboard, teacher will get these options. Now here, this is our lesson plan. Today teacher have completed this lesson plan. Now on completion of every lesson plan, teacher have to assign the homework. So here we have few steps. So while assigning the homework, first teacher have to mark the attendance of the class, assign the homework. Third, update the class progress. So now we will teach you how to assign the homework. So for assigning the homework, teacher have to click on the add homework. This page will be open. Now here teacher will get these options: due date and due time. What does this mean? Teacher have to select the due date and due time before the next class. Suppose the teacher have the next class on 15th of January 7 p.m. So here teacher will select 15th of January and here teacher will select any time before 7 p.m. So this is a hour, this is a minute. From here teacher can select AM, PM too. After selecting the time, here teacher will cross check the information that for grade 7 board CBSE subject science chapter electric current and its effect, teacher is going to assign the homework. Now next thing, teacher have to click on the add assessment. Once you will click on the add assessment, this page will be open. Here by default, teacher will get 5 pre-applied filter: grade, board, subject, chapter and session number. As for the filters, teacher will get the number of assessment. Always teacher can cross check here from this green count how many assessment they have. So here we have the dashboard. We will give you the information about this dashboard. In the dashboard, first we have assessment ID. What does this mean? We label every assessment with their unique number, the way we are labeling the class ID. Now teacher will check here grade, board, subject and category of the homework. So this is very important, category of the homework. Why? We have two types of homework, objective and subjective. So we will show you both. In objective, there is a question for answer. Student have to choose the right one. But in subjective, it is a question, proper answer. Student have to write and they have to upload. Now, while assigning the homework, teacher have to more focus on subjective if subjective is there. In every assessment, we are giving two options: select and assign. From this select, teacher will assign the homework. From this view, teacher will view this assessment. What is this all about? Now, suppose here we have only one assessment, that is objective. So now we don't have any choice for subjective. Then teacher can assign the objective one. First, teacher have to view it by clicking on view. This assessment will be open. So here, this is a question four option. We are marking the correct one for the teacher reference, and we do provide the solutions in every assessment. So in this way, teacher can scroll this assessment and have a look of this assessment. Now, to come out from this assessment, never ever click on this arrow. Teacher have to click anywhere in the screen and press escape button, and you will be out. Now, here while assigning the homework, I have to more focus on subjective if subjective is there. Now we don't have any option for subjective. Now teacher have to select this and assign from save homework tab. Once you will click on the save homework tab, that means you have assigned this homework to all the student. So here, while assigning the homework, we have three scenario. This is our scenario one. Now understand scenario number two. So while assigning the homework, if you are clicking on the add assessment, this page will be open. So here, as per my first scenario, we are saying teacher will get the five pre-applied filter, and as per the filter, teacher will get the number of assessment. In here, teacher have to more focus on subjective if subjective is there. Also, one more thing we wanted to add here in scenario one. So here, while assigning the homework, if teacher will get count two, that means teacher have two assessment, one objective and one subjective. Then teacher have to more focus on subjective. Teacher have to only view subjective and assign that. But now, if teacher will get here count five, and here teacher have five assessment, out of five, three subjective and two objective. In case teacher have to only view three subjective, and after viewing all the three subjective, whatever the assessment is relevant to our chapter which you have finished, please assign that. Now in our scenario 2, while assigning the homework, teacher will get five pre-applied filter, but teacher will not find any assessment here. This dashboard is blank. Here, teacher will get no data available. Also, the count is zero. If while assigning the homework, there is no assessment, teacher have to click on the clear button first. And after that, teacher have to reapply same filter again manually. But instead of five, they have to apply four filter like grade, board, subject, and chapter number like this, and click on the apply. So once you will click on the apply, teacher will get number of assessment as per the filter. Now from this bar, the second bar, drag this down, increase row per range. Why? So teacher can able to see all the homework in a single page. So out of 12, we need to more focus on subjective. How many subjective we have? So we have one subjective, two subjective, and we can check more. So we have three subjective. Now in this case, out of 12, we have three subjective. We have to only focus on subjective. So we can view that from this view button. This assessment will be open. So this kind of a assessment we have. So here, this is a question. We do provide the solution to the teacher in every assessment. Next question we have solution. So in this way, teacher can check all the questions and you can come out. So in this way, you can view all the three subjective, and after that, whatever the assessment is relevant to a chapter, you can assign that. Now after viewing all the three subjective, if teacher will think that this is a assessment which is relevant to a chapter, select and assign from the same homework tab. This is our second scenario. Now we will teach you about the third scenario, which you will find in the very, very rare case. As per the third scenario, teacher will not find any assessment. If there is no assessment, what teacher have to do? So here, while assigning the homework, if teacher will not find any assessment, so as per us, teacher have to click on the clear button. Teacher have to clear all the five pre-applied filter, and they have to reapply same filter again manually, four filter. So then click on the apply. So if teacher is applying the four filter manually and click on the apply, still teacher will not get any assessment. That means there is no assessment for this chapter, or there is a system glitch. Now how teacher will rectify either this is a system glitch or not? For this, teacher have to click on the clear button first, and they have to clear all the four filter. Now from the grade, teacher have to apply one grade up. Suppose teacher is teaching for the sixth grade, then they have to apply seventh. If they are from the seventh grade, they have to apply eighth. Let's suppose I'm the teacher who are teaching 6, then I have to apply one grade of 7. But yes, rest everything should be same as per my 7th grade. Now try to find out the chapter playing with number. If I'll get it, assign the homework. If I'm not getting it, that means there is no assessment for this chapter. Now, if there is no assessment for this chapter, what teacher need to do? They have to click here on this arrow. Now, teacher will be redirected on the home page, and after redirecting here, teacher have to simply update the class progress. Now we will teach you how to update the class progress. Suppose this is my class. For this class, I'm trying to assign the homework, but I'm not getting any assessment. In this case, please update the class progress by clicking on the progress. Now here in the chapter completion, please select the option completed. But here you have to go with the first option stating that homework not available for this chapter session in the system and update the class. Once you will update this status, my content team will get the notification and they will create and deploy the assessment. In this way, you can assign the homework and update the class progress. Thank you.